Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, active suspension system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.